So hello everyone, today we are going to discuss a question from JEE Advanced 2023 paper 2, which is from the solution chapter. And in this question what has been asked is 50 ml of the 0.2 molar urea solution density is given as this at 300 Kelvin is mixed with the 250 ml of a solution containing 0.026 gram of the urea. Both the solutions were prepared in the same solvent. The osmotic pressure in the torr of the resulting solution at 300 Kelvin is, so the answer should be 6082. So how to do this question? We have two solutions, solution 1 and solution 2. Solution 1 has the molality of 0.2 molar and the solution 2 has the 0.06 gram of the urea and 250 ml of the solution. Here 50 ml of the solution is present. So it is also a urea solution and density is given. So urea has the molar mass of 60 gram per mole, and from these data we can calculate the moles of the urea is 10 raised to the minus 3 moles. And here also from this we know that the molality is 0.2, that means 1000 gram of solvent contains 0.2 moles of the urea, and 1012 gram of solution. If 1000 gram of solvent contains 0.2 moles of the urea, then 1012 gram of solution will contain 0.2 moles of urea. And the density is, because density is 1.012 gram of per ml, that's why 1000 ml of solution should have the 0.2 moles of urea. So 50 ml will contain this moles of urea. So now we have moles of urea in the both of the solution 1 and solution 2. So we will add these two moles, 10 raised to the minus 1 plus 10 raised to the minus 3. So we will get 0.01 plus 0.001, and we divide the total volume. So total volume will be 250 plus 50, which is 300 ml, which is 0.3 liter. So this will be the molarity, and molarity will be multiplied with the R, and the value of R is given as 62 liter torr per Kelvin per mole, and the temperature is given as 300 Kelvin. So we have put here temperature as 300 Kelvin. So when we calculate these values, we will get the 682 torr. So this will be the final answer. That's why the answer is 682 torr. Thank you so much for listening.